When it comes to tackling tough carpentry jobs, the SKILSAW SPT 5511 SAWSQUATCH is a beast. Its 16-inch worm drive chainsaw is built to power through timbers and beams effortlessly, making it perfect for framing or heavy-duty construction. The ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, while the balanced build ensures precise cuts. With unmatched durability, this tool is ideal for professionals who demand performance. Whether remodeling or building from scratch, the SAWSQUATCH delivers clean and efficient cuts every time. Now let's shift from power cuts to keeping your workspace clean and dust-free. Drilling can get messy, but the Klein Tools Hole Saw Dust Bowl keeps everything under control. This collapsible, flexible dust catcher attaches easily, collecting debris as you work. Made from durable silicone, it's lightweight and reusable, perfect for a cleaner and safer workspace. Whether you're drilling walls or ceilings, it's designed to handle the challenge with ease. Compact and easy to store, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to save time on cleanup. Speaking of precision, let's measure up with the next tool. When accuracy matters, the OX Pro 1200mm Tuff Rule is your best friend. This sturdy measuring tool boasts clear, anti-glare markings for flawless measurements even under bright lights. Designed for demanding environments, it resists wear and tear while maintaining its edge. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, making it ideal for construction, tiling, or carpentry projects. Precision and durability come together in this rule, helping you get the job done right. Now for a tool that guarantees perfect flooring installations. When it comes to flooring installations, the Roberts Double Tap Tapping Block ensures every piece fits perfectly. This reversible tapping block lets you tap your flooring without damaging the edges, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Whether you're working with laminate, hardwood, or vinyl, the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and the sturdy build ensures reliability. This tool is essential for anyone wanting to create smooth, tight seams between flooring pieces. Now that your floors are aligned, you'll need an efficient way to handle fabric materials, and the Manova Fabric Dispenser is here to help. The Manova Fabric Dispenser is designed to streamline your fabric management, keeping rolls organized and easy to dispense. Whether you're upholstering furniture, creating custom window treatments, or working on a large construction project, this tool makes your job quicker and cleaner. The dispenser helps eliminate tangles, so you can work without interruption, saving both time and frustration. Its sturdy frame and easy-to-use design make it a must-have for fabric-heavy projects. Speaking of efficient tools, the rigid RP251 press tool is another game-changer for professionals working with pipes. The rigid RP251 press tool is a compact powerhouse that makes pipe connections fast and secure. Whether you're installing a new plumbing system or repairing existing pipes, this tool ensures leak-free joints with just a simple press. Its compact design allows you to work in tight spaces, and the powerful 12 volts battery makes it perfect for long workdays. You won't have to worry about messy soldering or welding, just quick, reliable connections every time. But working with pipes means keeping things organized, which is where the Klein Tools Modbox Wire Dispenser comes in. The Klein Tools Modbox Wire Dispenser is a must-have for anyone working with cables and wires. This tool ensures that you can easily dispense wire from spools without tangling or tangling up your workspace. Whether you're working with electrical wires, phone cables, or any other type of wire, the Modbox will make sure everything stays neat and easy to access. Its durable design means it'll hold up even under tough job site conditions. With your wires neatly stored and ready to go, the Rocut 26 MSR pipe shears are perfect for cutting those pipes with precision. The Rocut 26 MSR pipe shears make cutting pipes a breeze. These shears are designed to cut through a variety of pipe materials, from PVC to PEX with ease. Their sharp, durable blades make clean cuts every time, ensuring smooth edges that are perfect for assembly. Whether you're working on plumbing, heating, or irrigation systems, the Rocut pipe shears deliver fast and precise results. With your pipes cut and prepped, it's time to move on to the welding phase, and that's where the Roweld P250B Professional Basic Set comes in. The Roweld P250B Professional Basic Set is a high-quality tool for joining pipes with ease. Whether you're working with PP, PE, or PVDF pipes, this set helps you achieve a secure, professional weld every time. The adjustable heating elements allow you to work with different materials, and the compact design makes it easy to transport. Reliable and efficient, the Roweld set ensures that you get the job done with confidence. Once your pipes are welded and secure, the Ox Tools solid steel door clamp is perfect for keeping door installations in place. The Ox Tools solid steel door clamp is engineered for door installation and framing. It's made from high-strength steel, providing the stability you need to align and install doors perfectly every time. This clamp's solid construction ensures it can handle heavy-duty use, making it a reliable tool for both pros and DIYers. With this clamp in place, you won't have to worry about your doors shifting or misaligning. Now that your doors are secured, you'll need a good heat source, and that's where the Furno 550 heat gun comes in. The Furno 550 heat gun is the perfect tool for heating, shrinking, or removing adhesives. With its 18 volts battery power, this heat gun allows you to work cord-free, making it highly portable and versatile. Its adjustable temperature settings ensure that you can control the heat for different materials, whether you're working with plastics or applying heat shrink tubing. Compact and easy to use, it's a tool that can handle a variety of tasks. Now that everything is heated and prepared, the Camo Lever Deckboard Bender will help you get those deckboards in place with ease. The Camo Lever Deckboard Bender is designed to help you create tight, gap-free deckboards without the hassle. This tool bends and locks boards into place, ensuring that they stay aligned while you secure them. Its lever mechanism provides just the right amount of force, so you can position your boards without damaging them. Perfect for wood or composite materials, the lever tool guarantees a smooth installation process. With your boards installed, it's time to roll out the finishing touches, and the Roberts 6" carpet seam rollers will make sure everything looks perfect. When installing carpets, achieving seamless joins is crucial, and the Roberts carpet seam rollers do just that. This tool's ergonomic handle and smooth rollers help you press carpet seams securely, ensuring a clean, tight fit. Whether you're working with plush carpet or loop pile, this roller guarantees that seams are almost invisible, giving your floor a professional look. Lightweight and durable, it's easy to maneuver across any carpeted surface. And when it comes to grouting, the Barwalt Ultralight Grout Float is your go-to tool for smooth, even grout application. The Barwalt Ultralight Grout Float is perfect for spreading grout with precision and ease. Its lightweight design means less strain on your hands, allowing you to work for longer hours without discomfort. The non-stick surface ensures that grout doesn't stick to the float, making cleanup much quicker. Whether you're working with tile floors or backsplashes, this float provides smooth, even coverage. Once your grout is in place, you'll want to keep your drill bits sharp, and the Ozito 95 watts drill bit sharpener will help you do just that. The Ozito 95 watts drill bit sharpener is a game changer for maintaining the sharpness of your drill bits. It's designed for quick, precise sharpening, allowing you to restore your old, dull bits to their original performance. With an adjustable guide, you can easily match the correct angle for different bit types. This sharpener saves you the hassle of constantly buying new bits, making it a cost-effective tool in the long run. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and move around your workspace. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or masonry, this sharpener ensures smooth and efficient drilling. It also features a durable construction, built to last through many sharpening cycles. For those looking to enhance their toolkit even further, the Camo Clip Drive Fastening Tool is the perfect addition. The Camo Clip Drive Fastening Tool is perfect for installing decking with hidden fasteners quickly and efficiently. It's designed to work seamlessly with camo edge clips, allowing you to secure boards without visible screws. The tool features an ergonomic stand-up design, reducing strain on your back and knees during long installation sessions. Its adjustable guide ensures accurate spacing, so you get perfectly aligned boards every time. The clip drive is durable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around and use on large projects. It's compatible with both wood and composite decking, making it versatile for various decking materials. If you want to install decking like a pro, this tool will help you finish the job with speed and precision. After fastening your boards, you can power up your other tools with the SKIL PWR Core 40-volt 300 watts power inverter. The SKIL PWR Core 40 power inverter is a must-have tool for anyone looking to power up their job site with ease. It's designed to convert 40-volt power from your SKIL PWR Core batteries into 110-volt AC power for your tools, lights, and electronics. With a robust 300 watts output, it provides enough energy for most of your everyday tools. The compact, lightweight design ensures portability, so you can take it wherever you need power. It's an ideal solution for outdoor jobs, camping trips, or emergency situations where power isn't readily available. The inverter is equipped with multiple safety features, including overvoltage protection, to ensure your devices stay safe. If you're looking to run your tools without a traditional power outlet, this inverter is the ideal solution. To measure your setup precisely, the Zincunia Smart Level Ladder Pro will make sure everything is perfectly aligned. The Zincuni Smart Level Ladder Pro is the ultimate tool for ensuring precise measurements while working on ladders. It's equipped with a smart level that uses advanced technology to give you accurate readings, even in tricky work environments. The ladder attachment is designed to fit a wide range of ladders, making it versatile and easy to use. Whether you're installing shelves, hanging pictures, or working on your roof, the Smart Level Ladder Pro gives you a clear indication of whether your ladder is level or tilted. This feature significantly reduces the risk of errors, making your work safer and more efficient. Its sleek design makes it easy to set up, and it's built to withstand the rough conditions of job sites. For more precise work, this tool complements your measuring needs, and after leveling, you can break through tough tire beads with the Weaver Manual Tire Bead Breaker. The Weaver Manual Tire Bead Breaker is the perfect tool for anyone who works on tires and needs to break the bead without excessive force. It's built to handle even the toughest tire beads, whether you're working on car, truck, or heavy equipment tires. With a sturdy steel construction, this tool ensures long-lasting durability. It features a simple, manual design that makes it easy to use, and the ergonomic handle gives you a firm grip for better leverage. This bead breaker works with minimal effort, reducing strain on your body while getting the job done quickly. It's ideal for garage owners, DIers, or mechanics who need a reliable bead breaker. With its compact size, it can be stored conveniently in your workshop or vehicle. After breaking beads, you can speed up your nailing tasks with the Stinger CN 100B pneumatic cap nailer. The Stinger CN 100B pneumatic cap nailer is designed for high-speed, efficient roofing and insulation work. It's ideal for securing cap nails to roofing underlayment, making the job faster and more precise. The tool is powered by air, delivering consistent power to drive nails into a variety of materials. It's lightweight and well-balanced, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The fast magazine reload system allows you to keep working without frequent pauses, improving overall productivity. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even when you're working in difficult positions. If you're working on large roofing projects, this tool will help you finish the job with precision and speed. After nailing, the Marshalltown Broom Float Adapter Bracket will assist in perfecting the surface finish. The Marshalltown Broom Float Adapter Bracket is a tool that allows you to add a broom float attachment to your concrete finishing projects. It's designed for use with various broom and float tools, making it a versatile option for creating smooth or textured finishes. This adapter bracket is easy to attach and adjust, giving you full control over the finish of your concrete surfaces. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-term durability and performance. Whether you're finishing sidewalks, driveways, or floors, this tool helps you achieve a professional-grade finish. Its ergonomic design reduces strain during use, making it comfortable for extended working hours. For an even more powerful concrete cutting and shaping experience, the SKIL PWR Core 40 brushless 40-volt 12 inches top handle chainsaw kit is an ideal tool to have. The SKIL PWR Core 40 brushless 40-volt 12 inches top handle chainsaw kit is perfect for anyone who needs reliable cutting power for small to medium tasks. The brushless motor offers enhanced efficiency, delivering longer runtime and better performance. With its 12-inch bar length, it's ideal for cutting branches, logs, and smaller trees. The tool's top handle design provides better control, especially when working in tight spaces or overhead. The PWR Core 40 battery system provides quick, hassle-free power and ensures that you won't run out of charge mid-project. It's designed to be lightweight and easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during long cutting sessions. Whether you're trimming trees or cutting firewood, this chainsaw makes your job effortless, and with its user-friendly design, it's ready to tackle any backyard project with ease. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.